What are your expectations?
I think it'll be fun. I already got a t-shirt. That's how much I think I will like it. I don't feel good now. I need to go home.
Hi, my friends. We are back at Busch Gardens. It is time for their summer celebration festival. You know, they got the fireworks, they got new food, new entertainment. We always have a blast coming to this festival. Let's go in. It's a beautiful day out. It's not too hot. A little bit of breeze going on. I have a feeling it might rain later, but Allison has never been on Iron Gwazi, so I'm excited to see her first reaction. We gotta go front row first thing. All right, we're walking in right now. They've little construction walls up. Now, I know they're kind of like refurbing the entire entrance. And they're gonna be refurbing a lot of stuff here at Busch Gardens over the next year. So normally, you know, they'd have the big sign out Busch Gardens, but it's all under construction. We have a brand new photo op over here for the summer celebration. They have a rainbow giraffe. Jordan's taking a little photo right there. Behind the magic. Look at Allison, little photo pass. Beautiful little photo op. I know, we just popped into the gift shop real quick. They have a ton of new stuff for Pride Month. They have kind of this tie-dye rainbow spirit long sleeve shirt. You're looking at $45 for this. They have some crowns, or as Allison would say, crayons. A little lanyard pouch. 6-pack of mood pencils. $9.99, they have a rainbow lanyard. I think this is a pretty cool hat. $28, kind of like a trucker cap. Busch Gardens. For $40, they have Busch Gardens and, you know, some rainbow colors, a long sleeve shirt. And they also have kind of a checkered pattern on the side. They also have a short sleeve shirt. It says Busch Gardens with a rainbow over it. And for $30, they have a little rainbow sloth. You're looking at $26 for this Busch Gardens shirt. Oh, I like this. Hello, friends. Busch Gardens. Are these like retro characters from attractions that used to be here? I feel like they are. $28. Let me know down in the comments if any of you guys are diehard Busch Gardens fans. Busch Gardens Thrill Aplenty. That's a bald eagle. They also have another green trucker hat. Then they have a shirt with all of these characters and Gordon. This has to be like old school Busch Gardens. I just am not too familiar with old school Busch Gardens. Oh, I like this mug. It's got all the different coasters and thrill attractions here from Busch Gardens. You're looking at $17 for this legendary roller coaster. This is what a affordable annual pass looks like. Base one, $15 a month. Middle tier, $21 a month. $24 a month for the top gold member pass. The Busch Gardens Summer Celebration Fireworks Spectacular. They open the gates at 8:45. The whole event runs from May 27th until August 7th. It looks like Guy Harvey is here signing his art. They have some artwork of a flamingo, and then right over here they have some of the world's smelliest birds, flamingos. And they're all out there squawking. They have a toucan over here. They have another little photo op area right over here by Shikra. It is thundering, so all the rides are down. Oh, the orangutan got googly eyes. Do not feed the orangutan. Where is he? He's hiding up there. It's raining now. Oh, this is huge. Busch Gardens Summer Celebration. Gosh, that man grabbed a full-on table umbrella as his umbrella. We've been chilling here for like an hour. This is just standard Florida weather during the summertime. We probably have another half an hour, 45 minutes till the rain goes away.
One eternity later.
Current update. We're about like 2.5 hours into like trying to wait out the storm. We're gonna go traipse through the Florida thunderstorm, and I think we're gonna get some alcohol. I feel like that's a way to, you know, spice up a situation like this. I think somebody put a little too much money in this because it's affecting the entire park. A hurricane simulator. I guess the one positive thing is like we're like the only people here at this theme park. So I'm hoping when everything eventually clears up, we can just ride as many rides as we want. We're trying to make it to the bar. It's dedication to make it to the bar right now. All right, we have made it to the motherland. All right, we've made it up to the giraffe bar. I love when they remodeled this. It's so much more wide open. You can sit out there and watch the giraffes. But it's time to get some alcohol. This is much needed. Now, the best way to describe this drink, it's like it's like an orange Fanta with a slight kind of like vitamin C flavor from like medicine with then some alcohol in it. It's nice and refreshing on a hot day. Not my favorite drink. I think we'll do like a 7.5 on it. Oh, it's steaming. Look at that. Like everybody's just sitting there watching the animals. Now, normally anywhere else, right, you have to pay several $100s to have this view, right, where you can sit and eat and enjoy the view. This is great. Just come get a drink. There's a quick service also in here. You can just sit down, relax, shaded and covered, and just enjoy watching giraffes eat, and birds are flying in. Okay, now we have to head over to the live action show. Still thundering though, so I don't think any of the rides are gonna open. Experience the electrifying thrills and chills at the Stanleyville Theater. They have showtimes at 3, 5, and 7. It's gonna be in the little theater right over here. We're in the theater right now.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. Sound right, boys.
Y'all just see that? See what's up? That was a great show. There's some incredibly talented athletes on that stage. It was bright, colorful, and fun. That show is like a perfect summertime fun show. The store is so odd because there's so many different like knobs, but there's also so many different like door knockers around it. What's the significance behind all the door knockers? It's a good sign. First ride that we've seen come back. The carousel is back, so the rest of the park should be opening soon.
That's like something that
So this is the giant umbrella that guy was just carrying through the park. This thing is massive.
Oh, they're apples. I think they're apples. Granny Smith.
Here we go, Iron Gwazi. What are your expectations?
I think it'd be fun. I already got a t-shirt. That's how much I think I will like it.
We got the shirts. I got the orange one. Only ridden Iron Gwazi at nighttime. I've never done it during the daytime. I loved it. It was just, you know, bad crazy at nighttime. So I'm really nervous to ride during the daytime and you kind of see everything. All right, here we go. Iron Gwazi. It's a 50-minute wait. All right, we're next. You're gonna be fine. Again, slow moving dark ride. We're just gonna go see some sit upright, hold on tight, keep head back, hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the train. No funny business now.
No funny business.
Do not Crocs. Oh, I finally got that. With my dyslexia, I thought it said Crocs. So I was like, oh, crocodile, the theming. It said do not cross. I'm an idiot. Okay, here we go.
There's nothing to hold on to. Everything's in black and white. When you're about to pass out and you get that tunnel vision, I need some water.
Oh man. All right, ladies, how was it?
I didn't throw up. I may do that again one day, not today. That's not the type of ride you want to have a margarita before.
So they have a yellow, just standard Iron Gwazi shirt. And then they have the retro design, but it's just on a plain gray t-shirt. I like the vibrant ones that we have. They have a pin.
They match.
So they have a pin of Allison's shirt. All right, so they have a brand new show this year. It's called Gwasi Beats. couldn't really play the music for you because of copyright, so sorry about that copyright-free music you had to listen to. But a lot of fun. The dancers really make that show. It's almost like a bunch of like go-go dancers up there with a guy playing the drums. We just rode it one last time.
I may do that again one day, not today.
You rode back, or how you holding up?
I don't know if I'll ever do that again.
All right, good night, Jeffrey. Have a good night. Allison, there's a bear on your car. I don't know.
Should I touch it? Is it real?
Or is it a gorilla? Oh, look, they stuck him underneath the wiper blade. So yeah, somebody left this little gorilla. Okay, we'll put him in the back. Okay, so guys, we are back at home. Sadly, the firework and water show got canceled because of the weather, but I saw it last year and it's incredible. It's kind of like a World of Color meets fireworks show. It's pretty cool, and it's honestly worth a trip out there just to go see the nighttime show. The video was gonna be a lot longer, but the rain and the weather, and that's just what happens, right? You gotta make the best out of a situation, and we made memories, you know, traipsing through the river. It literally rained for like 3 hours that day. But the office is getting here. This side is mostly complete. Visually, I think it looks good. We still gotta work on this side, making it look good. But I don't know, let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think about the office? You know, we started with what, like 3 little shelves to now like this. Like, is it visually pleasing? Do you like seeing all the different like Easter eggs? I feel like I have to do a full tour for you guys eventually about like, you know, the stories behind all the little objects that are on the shelf. But guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, join the family.
I love the family. Hi, Greg.
Because I'm gonna keep you up to date on all things theme park and Busch Gardens. I love you all, please stay safe, and I'll see y'all very soon.
I don't feel good now, I need to go home. We're giggling.